Welcome to Henan Indu Digital Company Limited. This is our 2,000 square meter exhibition hall. Let's take a tour. That's the photos of our customers from all over the world. That's our corporate culture display and the various activities of the team members in recent years, and including travel to places and many teams, PK activities, and so on. This is the development history of the company. We started from a small store, but now we become a super factory covering an area of 2,000 square meters. The last and the most important thing is the stress of Henan Indu various quality certificates. Our company has obtained the title of National High-Tech Enterprise, Specialized and New Enterprise, Henan Inkjet Printing Technological Research Center, and so on. Some products have passed 3C certification, ISO 9001C certification, and other certifications, more than 100 patent certifications obtained in the past years. This is our UV DTF area. This printer is A3 size UV DTF printer, and this printer is 60 centimeter UV DTF printer. And the market is very huge. I will show you the application for you, such as gift packing, wine bottle customization, glass cup customization, cup customization, helmet customization, and so on. Almost can be leveraged on everything. This is our UV flatted printer area. This printer is our UV flatted with visual positing. This is our UV flatted printer, which covers more flatted material applications, such as mobile phone caps, titles, kitty bars, and so on. This one is a hybrid UV printer for flatted and UV roll-to-roll printer, all in one printing, such as leather, canvas, and car sticker, and so on. The large area is for Eco Solvent Printer, covering single head, double head, and full head. It's generally used in advertising, graphics, and some industrial like home decoration, sun proceeding, photo imaging, oil painting, art painting, clothes tile manufacture, and so on. Next is our DTF area. You can see there are many different of DTF printers. The wall is the DTF symbols, including common t-shirt printing, jeans printing, school bags, cover bags, shoes, hats, reflective vests. It can also use on many customers' creative products, such as computer bags, and so on. The large equipment in right of us is the sublimation printer, from 4 heads to 24 heads, from 1.8 meters to 3.2 meters, showing the impact of technology. Let's take a look at the transfer effect. We can transfer it on a variety of fabrics, such as natural fibers, nylon, blended fibers, and then apply them to different industrials, such as clothing, home base, and floor blankets, and oil paper umbrellas, and so on. The last area is sublimation flag printer. You can not only make colorful flags, but also other things like shopping mall decoration, light box, store advertising, show-up vendors, handbags, pillows at fast show, and so on. Okay, that's for all. I hope this tour will impress you and know more about our Henan Indu products. If you have other questions or want to know more, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye!